Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you ready to launch your online presence? We will guide you throughout the essential steps of setting up your Wix website from scratch. Learn how to choose a template, customize it, and publish your site in no time. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, first of all guys, go ahead to Wix.com and of course we will try everything from scratch. So the first thing that we are going to do is to create a new site. Click on create new site and let's choose from a template. So we are going to start from a template and here choose one of these templates. Of course you can choose more specifically by choosing the type, industry, features and style. Let's go with type. Let's go with e-commerce, industry, technology, features, let's say stores, and style, let's say minimal. With that being said, like we have dark, we have a lot, illustrative, and we have this one. Actually, I think this one is better. So what I'm gonna do is to go with this one and click on edit. Once we clicked on it, it will take us to the editor wix.com, which is inside of Wix Studio. Now let's go ahead and close that and let's wait for the Wix Studio to load. Now it's gonna load for us now two things, the dashboard and of course the page builder. The page builder will allow us to add things, remove things, like edit things, edit things within our sites. Let me show you how. For example, this is the site that we have. Now it has a header, it has everything that it needs, but basically it doesn't have our identity. So the first thing that is comes to mind is to add our touch to the site. The touch is basically going to be, first of all, the logo. We need to change the logo and make it look at just like our logo. So I'm going to upload the media, upload from computer. Let's go to here, After Effects, work, I think, logos, and maybe I would choose this one. And as you can see here, the AI basically gonna, or not the AI, but the platform is gonna be loading our logo in it. So this is Bard AI. I'm gonna use it basically, for example. So this is a picture that I have added, which I would like to add it as my logo. But guys, notice that you can't add any kind of logos or formats to your page unless they were vector art. So only vector art can be chosen. So unfortunately, I don't have any vector art, so I'm gonna keep it as it is. But this is something that you have to do. The second thing is every single social media link you have to edit it. Not only social media, but also here, for example, here you will find these two buttons of Google Play and App Store. In case you didn't need them, then remove them. You don't need something like that to be disturbing on your site. So I'm gonna just click here and remove that. And basically here should also change the image to be, for example, let me just go ahead and choose that, update, and make it a bit bigger. So customize, go to settings, and here fill bounding box, fit to bounding box. Alright, perfect. Here also what I'm gonna do is to go down there where, as you can see here, we have social media, and basically every single text of these is gonna be linked to a specific place. So what I'm gonna do is basically gonna click on Discord, for example, click on this link button and change it from discord.com to my Discord server. The same thing has to be duplicated or replicated on GitHub, YouTube, Reddit, and X, and every single other social media link that you have. Another thing is the logo in the footer also has to be basically replaced with your logo. Here, other things, every single part of this page has to be designed to be fitting your brand, having your features, having your overview, and having your partner areas, and of course your customer reviews. After you finish with the first page, which is the home page, you gotta go with the menu. Now you can't go wrong with the menu because it is the map of your site. If you mess it up right here, the customer basically your traffic or your visitors are no longer gonna know how to go throughout your website, which can be causing a lot of trouble when it's coming to like basically going through your sites and like going to some specific page, going to a specific product. Your customers will not be able to do so, and you will get bored looking for the right way to go to a specific product or page, and they're simply gonna quit from your site and never come again. That is why having a clean and well mapped menu is something to go for in every single website. So make sure to have the most essential pages in here. For example, if you were a blogger, for example, you could have about news, you could have homepage, news, politics, technology, about us, and privacy policy. In case you were an e-commerce platform, have homepage, product page, store, and basically the privacy policy. If it was like anything else, just simply try to follow a specific order that your people will need, or that you would need in order to go through your site. Imagine that you don't know anything about your site. Well, you have to give yourself a guideline. The guideline is basically your menu. A second thing or third thing that you have to manage inside of your site is the buttons. When you first try to create your website with a template, the buttons are going to be without any direction. For example, here, this button only will take you to the home page. This button also, if there is any button down there, for example here, I don't know, this button doesn't really do anything. This button basically is going to submit something, a form, but yeah, all of them has to be doing a specific thing, which is normally in the default format, they will not be doing anything. So you are with two options: either remove them or replace them, or basically give them a direction that they will take your visitors to. So these are the more recent thing that I have to give you as ideas and advice. But once you are done with that, you simply gotta go back to your dashboard and set up a couple of other things, which are basically your payment method. Since if you have guys like ads going on, or basically you have like e-commerce store, you have to set up a payment. So go to get a payment and choose connect and setup, and connect a payment method from here. Choose either PayPal or money or payments. There is other, of course, that you can choose depending on your country. Basically, for the payment method, I've made a video about it, so make sure to check it out. And once you're done, just like that, your website is ready to go and you can launch it for the public. So yeah guys, this is how you can set up your Wix website. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and if you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial.